sir.
Hi, children.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So we were learning adjustment entries. Expense part over. Then the common adjustments we are learning. To adjustment in expense, to adjustment in revenue. Then what are the other adjustments? Interest on capital. Next, interest on capital. We already learned this. Interest on capital is an expense for the business and it is payable to the owner. Do you remember? It is expense for the business and it is payable to the owner. For owner, there's an account in the business. What is the name of the account, children? For owner, there's an account in the business. What is the name of the account? When the business is taking money from the owner, we are keeping that money in an account called dash.
Capital account.
Capital, very good. So when the money is payable to the owner, we will credit in capital. That you know, when owner is taking money from the business, we will debit or credit capital account.
Credit.
We will debit. When the owner is taking money, we will debit capital. When the money is payable to owner, we will credit capital, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Once again, interest on capital, we have to understand very clearly. Interest on capital is an expense for the business. So in accounting, all the expenses are debited or credited? Increase in expense?
Debited.
Yes. So debit interest on capital account. Credit which account? This amount is payable to the owner. So we have to credit
Capital.
Capital. Correct. That is capital account. Yes. This theoretical expression. So we can write in another way. Interest on capital account debit. How you will present practically? Interest on capital account debit to
Debit to capital account.
yes. Next is depreciation. That also we learned before. Depreciation is an expense of the business. In accounting, all the expense will be
Debited. Debited.
yes. So depreciation account debit. Credit which account. So depreciation is an expense of the business. Correct. At the same time, depreciation is decrease in the value of assets. Decrease in the value of assets. So in accounting, decrease in the value of asset will be
Credited.
credited. Asset will be credited. So fixed asset account. If it is machinery, machinery account. If it is furniture, furniture account. If it is building, building account. If it is computer, computer account.
Computer account.
Then Then we will learn some miscellaneous entries. Miscellaneous entries. Miscellaneous entries, that's a heading here. Okay. Credit purchase of fixed assets. Number one, credit purchase of fixed assets. Credit purchase of fixed assets. Credit purchase of fixed assets. So when you are buying fixed asset, we cannot debit purchase account. The word purchase account is for recording purchase of goods. Goods means items which are intended for resale. Resale. Goods are those items which are intended for resale. Okay. Fixed assets are not goods. We have to keep in a separate account called a fixed asset. If it is machinery account. So write an example that will be nice for you. Purchased machinery on credit from Messrs. ABC Limited. Purchased machinery on credit from Messrs. ABC Limited. So when you write the question, you tell me. Return. So what's the journal entry? We cannot debit purchase account. Purchase account is reserved for goods. It's not goods. It is one fixed asset. For every fixed asset, we have to keep separate account individually. If it is furniture. If it is computer account. So what is the journal entry?
Machinery account debit to Messrs. ABC.
Yes, correct. So that's the journal entry. Machinery account debit to Messrs. ABC. Next. Second, discount allowed. Discount allowed. Small example. Discount allowed to Mr. B in brackets sundry debtor. This also we learned before. Do you remember? Discount allowed to Mr. B in brackets sundry debtor. Can you say journal entry?
Mr. B sundry debtor account debit to discount allowed account.
Any other answer from any other student? A discount allowed is an expense of the business. In accountancy, expense will be debited. So what is the journal entry?
Discount allowed account debit
Debit to sundry debtors account.
Yes. Only discount allowed. One debit to sundry debtors. To Mr. B. Sundry debtor. Why you are crediting sundry debtor? This asset is, the asset will be decreased. Sundry debtor is an asset. That asset is going to be decreased. Decrease in asset will be credited, isn't it?
Credited.
Here increase in expense. Increase in expense is debited. Decrease in asset is credited, isn't it? You seeing that? Increase in expense is debited. Decrease in asset is credited. Are you seeing? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next, discount received. See, when the business is getting discount. Example, discount received from Messrs. XYZ. That's the inner meaning. From XYZ business purchased some goods. Now that XYZ Limited is giving us discount. So discount received in accounting, discount received is expense or revenue?
Revenue.
Revenue. So in accounting, all revenue will be debited or credited?
Credited.
Credited. So we will credit discount received. Discount received account. Debit which account?
Messrs.
XYZ
Yes,
Limited.
because this liability is decreasing. Decrease in liability. Are you seeing this? Decrease, symbol, short form. Decrease in liability. Am I right? Decrease in liability. Message XYZ Limited. Okay. Bad debts. Entry for bad debts. Bad debts written off. Bad debts written off. W bar O means written off. That's a short form in accounting. That means we sold some goods on credit to a party. Some amount is irrecoverable. What do you mean by irrecoverable? We are going to get or we are not going to get?
Not going to get.
Not going to get.
Suppose we sold goods for rupees 10,000. 1,000 we are not going to get. So that part. Sometimes 10,000 also. It depends on maybe full amount or a part of them. A small example. Rupees 1,000 is irrecoverable from Mr. B in bracket sundry debtor. Rupees 1,000 is irrecoverable from Mr. B in bracket sundry debtor. General entry. So bad in accounting, bad debts is coming under expense or loss or revenue or gain.
Expense or loss.
Loss.
Specifically expense or loss. Loss. So in accounting, all expense and loss will be debited or credited.
Debited.
Oh,
Debited.
journal entry.
Bad
Debit
debts account debit.
Bad debts account debit to Mr. D sundry debtors.
credit Mr. B sundry debtor 1,000 rupees. Okay. Next, capital brought in kind. Normally, owner is bringing money in the business. Here, owner is bringing some assets. In kind means a asset, not in cash. Example, machinery worth rupees 5 lakh brought in by the owner. Say the word. The account cash or bank is not coming here. Adjustment only. Machinery worth rupees 5 lakh brought in by the owner. Here, machinery is one asset is increasing and capital is also increasing. So increase in asset will be in accounting, increase in asset will be debited. So machinery account.
Debit.
Increase in capital is to be credited.
You can write like this also, debit machinery credit, theoretically or practically, capital. Debit machinery and credit capital, 10 lakh rupees, amount 10 lakh.
Written, sir.
Finish.
Yes, sir.
Anything else in that topic? Next, loss of goods. Loss of goods by fire. Now there's a difference between goods and assets. Loss of goods by fire. Here two cases. Suppose the goods are insured. Another case, goods are not insured. See, normally goods are insured. If the goods are insured, what is the journal entry? Think practically. If goods are insured. When the goods are insured, the amount is recoverable from, suppose we took insurance policy, loss is happened,
Insurance company.
we will get the amount from insurance company, right? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
when an amount is receivable from insurance
Yes, sir.
company, when an amount is receivable from insurance company, we will debit insurance company, right? When an amount is receivable. Yes or no? When an amount is receivable from somebody, we will debit that person, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
insurance company will be debited. Insurance company account debit. So when the goods are lost, So when the goods are lost, which account will be credited? When the goods are increased, we debited purchase account. When the goods are increased, we debited purchase account.
Purchase account.
So when the goods are decreased, we have to credit purchase account to purchase account. Loud. So if the goods are insured, we will debit insurance company. And since the goods are reduced from the purchase account, we have to credit purchase account. The purchase account. Okay. Then what's the next stage?
Yes, sir.
After this entry, what's the next step?
When the goods
So we are debiting insurance company because some amount is receivable. Suppose it is 20,000. And when the amount is given by the insurance company, it may be 20,000 or may not be 20,000. It can be less than 20,000 also. Okay. If you are getting full amount, okay, cash account debit to insurance company. Suppose you are not getting full amount, the difference will be adjusted in an account called loss of goods by fire. Right. The amount not recovered from insurance company. Amount not recovered. For the amount not recovered from insurance company, what we will do? Amount not recovered from insurance company, what we will do? That is a correct loss, actual loss. We will debit loss of goods. Which account?
loss.
Loss of goods. By fire, whatever may be. Account
Loss account debit.
to that much amount we are not going to get. So when we give the application, when the amount was receivable is an asset, so we debited insurance company. When we understand that this much amount we are not going to get, that asset is reduced. So decrease in asset will be credited. So that's the reason we are crediting insurance company. So I think that's all. Then last closing entry. Closing entry we will learn in the next period, 1 o'clock period, whether this chapter will be over. Closing entry, it will take 1 period to understand what is closing entry. Try to do some practice also. So last period also I didn't check your notebook. So you can show your notebook.
Okay, so sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you able to see, sir?
Yes, yes. Next page.
Can I see, sir?
Okay, next page. Okay. Next student, please.
Sir, that's all.
Sir, I
Sir,
will show, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next student.
Yes, sir, that's it. Sir.
So only 2 students are showing, right?
Sir, I will show, sir.
Marisri, are you showing the notebook?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Next page. Okay, next page.
That's all, sir.
Okay. Any other student showing the notebook? Yogesh. Abhishek, Umesh. Are you showing the notebook? Okay. See you at 1 o'clock.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.